way to Ballycastle. We're going to do a tour to Rathlin Island. We tried it last time when we got the ferry over, and it wasn't very successful because we couldn't get a boat round to see the bus round to see the puffins. So we're going to try again this time, but getting a boat so it takes you right round, so you don't have to get off and get the bus, etc. So you don't actually go on to Rathlin Island itself, you just stay on the boat and sail round. So we're hoping that's going to be a bit more successful. However, there seems to be some sort of a race day, so we have had to take a massive detour, and you're supposed to be there half an hour early, and we are just struggling for time, and a bit worried whether we'll get there on time, but let's just fingers crossed. So if you see a boat tour on our video, you'll know we got there in time, and if you don't, we didn't make it.
Here we go, so we're getting on the wee boat.
We got
Sure!
here.
Yay, we made it! Right. Show you a bit later.
Rathlin Island. So we're, as you know, we made it. So we are going over there, hopefully see some puffins. I don't know if it's the right time of year. Hopefully see some sea lions, maybe see a dolphin, you never know. Or maybe see the polar bears and the penguins and
Lion.
yeah, it's Madagascar really, it's not Rathlin Island. I think that's over in the distance, I don't know if you can see it, is Scotland in the far distance. So yeah, we've got a clear day, thank God, no rain, touch wood. Yeah, so we'll show you when we get a bit closer.
She's laying on that rock, look at it. Oh, it's balancing on the rock.
Yeah. There's more of them. Okay, I need to find a massive wood.
There's one! Oh, cool. There was a lighthouse that we saw at one end, and this is the lighthouse at the other end.
Yeah, it's a bigger lighthouse.
There's a big tanker.
Look how wild that looks. Yes, isn't that gorgeous?
Isn't it? There's the lighthouse. You hear all the birds.
You're absolutely.
How cool is that? Ellie?
There.
It's amazing, isn't it? How cool is that, Scarlett?
Very cool.
They're right in front. Yeah. Did it jump out? Come, look, underwater there, going along. Ready? He's going to come out in a minute. Here they come, here they come. There's some more ready to go come up. How amazing is that? There's loads of them. Well, we did.
We have just finished the Kintra boat tour at Ballycastle to Rathlin Island, and we got a beautiful surprise right at the end of what
Did indeed.
the dolphins danced around the boat. There was tens of them. There must have been
Loads.
a really big
Loads.
school of dolphins. Oh, it was just wonderful. The puffins, it's coming to the end of their season, so there weren't very many, but we still got to see the puffins and the sea lions. They were out in force, weren't they? Doing little balancing acts and what have you. Oh,
Hopefully you'll see some of them on the video. Hopefully we'll be able to zoom in and show. But toward just the dolphins at the end just finished it off. They were just swimming alongside, as you imagine, coming in and out of the water. Oh, it's just stunning, absolutely stunning.
so thoroughly recommend that. I didn't enjoy it when we did the ferry and then you just walked around the island. I didn't enjoy that. I think you got to see much more of the wild Atlantic side, where the animals are, you know, perched and they think people can't get to. So it just made it something special. And we love dolphins, so yeah, that was amazing. Well worth it. So. Okay, so we are on our way to the Jan's Causeway, and I just wanted to do a little bit of a video of the landscape because it's gorgeous. It's only go on the first stage, yeah. I know it's only go. Is that right?
So the variety of birds here in the area, I have to reassure you in saying that just gives a
So we'll let you have a look out at the Causeway Coastal Route. We've just done the Giant's Causeway for 2 adults, a pensioner and a child was $52.50. But it looks like a pensioner is the same price as an adult, so there was no concession. That included parking, a guide down to the Stones, which is about a 20-minute walk. Really informative, loved it. Not much in the visitor centre, although it's award winning, but we didn't really get much out of it. But the advice we'd give is absolutely take waterproofs, because you just never know. The weather changes quickly. One minute it's beautiful, the next minute it's not. So just that we are now in Bushmills, which is the famous little town just by it, which is a distillery.
Shoes, give walking shoes. And,
walking shoes, and they just need to be careful on the rocks because obviously they're very slippy. But they're slippy anyway from the sea.
It's good. It's quite amazing to see the shape of them and the history why they popped up from lava and cooled down over X number of years. And the wee stories of back in the day, they used to take your picture and a little woman used to be on the side to give you water and free whiskey.
Old Mary used to charge you for water. So she'd charge you for water, and apparently she never had change from a shilling, but she'd give you a free whiskey with the water. So you can either do a park and ride here in the town in Bushmills, or you can park up at the Giant's Causeway. However, it was really slow letting people in. I don't know why. So there was a big queue, so it took us a lot longer than we thought, and it didn't need to be, but just park and ride might be handier. And then up from the Stones, there's a bus. So if you've mobility issues, you can get the bus down and the bus up, and it's £1 each way. So yeah, it was really good. Nice to go and visit. 900,000 visitors a year, so yes, something to see. So just give you an idea of the little country roads here. Oh look, loads of wood over there. So don't forget to like and subscribe, because it really helps our channel, and as much as we enjoy doing it, it's nice to know that you enjoy it too. So yeah, please give us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video.